इसका टेम्पर हटा पाना।
हाँ टेम्पर तो लगाया ही नहीं था।
मैं अभी सोच रहा हूँ कि यार मैंने गलती की।
नहीं
ये तो जितना रहता है हमने आपको सब कुछ बता दिया।
हाँ
डर हमें लग रहा था कि हमें पैसे ना भरना पड़े।
वो तो है।
ओके
ओके थैंक यू।
मैसेज आएगा फीडबैक प्लीज।
बिल्कुल
मैसेज में एक लिंक होगा, लिंक को ओपन करेंगे 3 ऑप्शन आ जाएगा, कुछ ज़्यादा टेंशन नहीं है।
अच्छा
तो हरे वाले पे क्लिक करें।
अच्छा थैंक यू।
Let me tear the box down without much gossip.
हाँ
So, according to the details on the box, it's a 65 super dart charging brick, and there's this Helio G95 gaming processor. It comes with a 90 Hz ultra smooth display and a 48 megapixel AI quad camera setup. Damn it!
5 minutes later.
Hey, welcome to the Realme family. Well, the case seems much standard.
Damn it!
A 65-watt super dart giant brick.
Damn it!
Well, now let's talk about it. It comes with a plastic bag with a victory design finish. Here's the quad cam setup. Rear 48 megapixel plus 8 plus 2 plus 2. The front camera is 16 megapixel. It can easily get fingerprints added back. So cover is a must, recommended. Here is a fingerprint dedicated power button. Let's switch on it. Make sure you hit the like button, subscribe if you like it, and comment as well. We would also attach some camera samples which you can surf through the timeline if you want to. And yeah, if you want a full 24-hour battery test for this device, and as well as the charging test, and as well as the gaming test, do comment down in the comment section. So our device is initially set up. It says welcome Realme UI. Okay. Oh, that's a weird ringtone. Well, you can have a good overview of how this UI looks like on surfing. The display rate feels good to surf, and currently it's on 60 Hz. But in order to use the 90 Hz refresh rate, you have to set it in the setting app. Okay, so here's the about phone section. Currently running on Realme UI version 1, Android 10, 6 GB RAM, LG 95, and the 64 GB of RAM. And the notifications shade seems very accessible. Now let's take some camera samples. Well, if I talk about the camera application, it's pretty much easy to use, easy to interact. And here's this wide angle, 1x, 2x, and 5x optical zoom. So here are more features, ultra macro. Okay, but honestly speaking, ultra macro is just a useless setting if I frankly say, because in 2021 you won't just take a shot of 2 megapixel. Also, it offers a section of portrait photography. So here's a normal mode of 48 megapixels and a dedicated mode for 48 megapixel primary camera. I don't think so. There won't be much difference between those two shots. Maybe just a difference in zoomed pixel. The picture shot is a bit color boosted, which has its own good sides and not so good sides. The display quality is also seems to be really good, and the 2 megapixel is of no use. Here are some filters which you can try out. Yeah, there are 2-3 filters missing for what we get in Realme 7 Pro. The video stabilization is okayish, not so good, but yeah, you get options like Ultra Steady and Ultra Steady Max to stabilize video quality. And yeah, you can shoot the video, you can shoot a video in this different optical zooms. Well, the video resolution which it allows it to 4K 60 FPS. There is the option of Chrome Boost, which boost colors a bit more. Now let's head straight towards audio quality testing.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our
Now let me set up the fingerprint. Well, in my opinion, it's really fast. So I guess we must end the video up here, and yeah, I'll just show you on what price I got this product for. So as you can see, I got this product in a sale with an exchange offer.